Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everybody. My name is Anna Fitriani. I want to presentation about journal thermoplastic composite from curvilinear three-dimension multi-layer special fabric, written by M.D. Abonem, Olaf Distel, Gerard Hoffman, and Chuck Chris. Background: conventional liquid composite production is slow, useful, and difficult to create curved shape. This research introduction a new method using three-dimensional special fabric that knit with glass fiber or polypilena hybrid yarn to produce strong, lightweight, and efficiency curvilinear thermoplastic composite in a single production step. Strong, light, and efficient finish last one production stage. The step for purpose: one, development a flat knitting process, fabricate multi-layer curvilinear three-dimension perform to apply glass fiber or polypilena hybrid yarn to directly produce thermoplastic composite. 3. Test the mechanical properties as a strength, stiffness, stability, or the resulting composite. 4. Demonstrate that this method is efficiently lightweight and environmentally friendly. And then step of the art 2019 evaluation of thermal properties of three-dimension strapper technical material in cold environment using 3D printing technology. 2022 recent advent and woven special fabric sandwich composite panel. 2023 research on the thermal insulation properties of three-dimension special jigware fabric treat with silica aerogel. 2023 new process can for realization of complex two-dimension or three-dimension web net fabric for thermoplastic composite application. And 2025 mechanical performance of three-dimension integrated fabric reinforced composite under multiplying loading. And then we can see a material. This study use glass fiber and or polypilena hybrid yarn as the primary material to create a three-dimensional multi-layer special fabric using plate knitting technology. The glass fiber actually a structural reinforcement, while the polypilene serve as a thermoplastic matrix, result in a lightweight, strong, and malleable thermoplastic. And we can see a method 3G special fabric design, flat knitting with glass fiber polypilena, heating and compression or thermoforming, cooling, solid composite formation, and mechanical testing and structural analysis. And this is a test parameter is used in journal. One, tensile test, type of testing, growing the tensile strength and strength of material. Tools, universal testing machine, test standard ASTM D3039. Parameter, maximum tensile and strength. Strength modulus of elasticity, test conditional, sample 50 millimeter, tensile speed 50 millimeter per minute. 2. Flexible test, measure strength and stiffness during bending. Tools, flexible testing machine. Test standard STM D790. parameter, flexural strength, flexural modulus, maximus deflection. This value is loading speed 5 millimeter per minute. 3. Compression test. Testing senses the compressive strength between layer, strong and thickness. Those compression test estimation, STM D6 and 5 parameter, maximum compressor stress, deformation, compression absorbed energy, values, specimen light, sample, 50 fabric thickness millimeter, free speed 2 millimeter per minute. For microsture analysis, test observing polypilena impregnation again glass fiber distribution, scanning electron microscope, cement parameter of fiber distribution, addition between and metric. 5. Density or porosity test. Knowing the density and quality of thermoplastic information, those density scale, parameter density gram per centimeter, porosity of percent. And then the setup process, how can our process 3-dimension textile fabrication plus thermoplastic composite formation be iterated into a single production stage, flat knitting process. Figure 1, we can see how reinforcement yarn are integrated in layer. Figure 2, how reinforcement pattern and orientation affect mechanical properties. Figure 3, how three-dimensional structure can be created with varying curvature of complex shape. Figure 4, how to forming the connection layer. Figure 5, how to withdraw the warp yarn from the needle to form a three-dimensional space. And then we can see figure 1 to forming the front base layer A1 and back base layer B1 using yarn based fabric on the front and back needle bed. And this is we can see illustration the knitting technique employed for the multi-layer integration of reinforcing yarn during the flat knitting process. In this technical, warp growth and lead needles are used to control insertion of both warp and web, yet along with a reinforcement yarn. The reinforcement yarn can be incorporation as biaxial inlay laid into perpendicular direction, or warp and web, or a stack which connect the upper and low fabric line. The process enables the direction formation of complex multi-layer knitting construction, a single stack manufacture process, thereby elimination the need for secondary joining or lamination step. Figure 2, we can see forming the layer A2 and B2 using additional base yarn to reinforce the surface layer. Represent of the arrangement of reinforcement yarn in two-dimension connect structure. Two configuration as now the biaxial inlay structure where reinforcement yarn are inserted in both warp and web direction, and stack in stick structure where reinforcement yarn are integration vertical between loop, using a stack knitting technique. The biaxial inlay configuration provider enhance tensile and flexural strength due to bidirectional reinforcement. Well, the tactic configuration offer moderation strength but superior impact resistance by improving interlayer connectivity and energy adoption. Figure 3, heading web reinforcement yard C1 and C2 and as inlay between the layer to strength the web direction. We can see three dimension sphere fabric with different curva, angle, 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 1090 degrees, and 360 degrees. In the warp direction, this diagram demonstrates the ability of the flat knitting process to produce curvilinear three-dimensional textile structure with control bending or seven directionally during fabrication. The curve variation from the fully cylinders highly the adaptability of this technique for manufacturing complex shape textile performance. Such curvilinear three-dimensional shape fabric are particularly suitable for lightweight thermoplastic composite application as they combine structure strength, flexibility, and low weight. Figure 4, forming the connection layer C by making structures that show the front and back layer. This created a special structure between the layers. We can see passes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And join become 3G special fabric. Figure 5, with drawing the warp yarn from the needle to create a three-dimension space and adjust the spacing between the layer. We can see pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, pass 4, pass 5, and because single axis curva spire fabric. And then two-dimension knit fabric and composite upper view. We can see this picture compared to type of two-dimension knit fabric structure, type of B and type T, with production using glass fiber, polypropylene, hybrid yarn as well the result composite after the thermoforming process. The main purpose is of figure is to illustration of how different yard orientation warp and warp initial inlay configuration thickness influence the final structure and mechanical performance of the composite. You can see ABC became A D composite type B, composite type T. And then this is label direction and description. A base loop yard functioning from the main knit loop the define the base fabric structure. B web inlay yard insert yard the clockwise 90 degrees direction improve transfer stability. C web inlay yard function insert yard in the longitudinal 0 degrees direction improve tensile stiffness along the line. D stuck stitch connection stitch that the interlink loop at the dimension and stability reinforcement between light. Igniting fabric structure type B top left and type T top right. Okay, picture contain both warp and web in like biaxial structure, and the type 3 mostly warp orientation structure, and orientation type B 0 degree and 90 degree, type 3 0 degree, and ini suite types group and state and type D ini hanger storefront long. And then we can see three-dimension textile perform and consolidation three-dimension composite. Illusion how curvilinear three-dimension multi-layer special fabric were products and how they look after being consolidated into the thermoplastic composite. The fabric outlet into different curva 0 degree, 90 degree, up to 90 and 360. They demonstrate the flexibility, shape, adaptability of textile before consolidation. And then in front of yard enhancement of mechanical properties. Showing the influence of yard arrangement as a tack and stiffness and a biaxial inlay on the tensile and breaking behavior of a glass fiber or polypilena, hybrid yarn, and knit fiber. And then mechanical properties of two-dimension knit composite with different reinforcements. In picture, present the mechanical properties of two-dimension knit composite reinforced with different yard configuration type T and type B, and thus in different fiber direction or 0 degrees and 90 degrees. And then we can see 0 degrees warp direction longitudinal, 90 degrees wave direction transverse. Conclusion: the study concludes that flat knit three-dimension multi-layer curved spacer fabric using glass fiber, polypilena, hybrid yarn can serve as excellent three-dimension textile perform for lightweight thermoplastic composite with complex geometry. In short, biaxial inlay, high tensile and flexural strength, stiffness and stability, stock thickness, high impact strength, toughness and energy absorption, absorption, 3D dimensions, stepper structure, shape, adaptability, and lightweight potential for automatic aerospace or protection structure. And important, the curvilinear multi-layer three-dimension structure made from glass fiber polypilena produced using the flat knitting technique offer a combination of high mechanical strength with impact and complex stability that offers significant potential of lightweight complex relation in engineering and the automotive industry. Thank you.